didn't see you there. Hey guys, it's Allison. So today I'm going to show you how I curl my hair. You guys requested it on my last hair care video. You guys wanted a curl toot. So here it is. I used the beach waver, which I love, but these are my go-to curls. If you want to learn how to do it, then keep on watching. Okay, so first I'm just going to brush out my hair. Make it nice and smooth. Okay, and then like I mentioned in my last video, I'm gonna use maracuja oil on the ends of my hair. Oil is also a heat protectant for your hair, so that is perfect. And a little bit goes a long way. Okay, now I'm gonna section my hair. I don't have any fancy clips or anything, but take like half and cut half up in my little scrunchie. Looks super cool. Alright, so I just take about this much hair in each section. Like I said, I use the beach waver. This is the S1, which is a 1-inch barrel. And I just go for it. So you face the clamp in and then you just press the arrow, and then I just kind of like toss the curl in the back and just keep going. And then you just press home and then you do it all again. I actually got my beach waver at Kohl's because Kohl's cash, hello. Love Kohl's. Comment down below if you're a Kohl's fan like me. It's literally free money. Free money. But yeah, I got mine at Kohl's a couple years ago, or maybe last year, and I've been in love ever since. I used to, fun fact, get my hair permed like in high school because I wanted curly hair so bad. And I had longer hair than this in high school, and I did it like twice. I think I did it my freshman year and my senior year of high school, and I loved it. It was crazy. People were like, you got a perm? Like, how old are you? But my mom would get perms, and so I was like, I want a perm. I got a damn perm. And you just want to let this sit for like a couple seconds. And I'm literally not using a mirror right now. That's how easy this is. Where is it? So on the other side, you can do 2 speeds, fast or slow, depending on your skill level. I like to do fast. I think it's on fast. Get it over with. I can't really see anything because this ring light literally blinds me. Leave like 1 to 2 inches of your ends out, so that gives it like a more natural look. I was on the slow side. Watch this. Now we're gonna be cruising. I just switched it to fast. Whoa, things got a Hemi. Like, nice. Looking amazing. I don't even know where my part is right now. I look like, what is this? Here they are. Okay, so I'm gonna let these just like chill for a little bit, and then I'm going to brush them out because these are a little too Shirley Temple, Irish step dancer for me. All right, it's been about 10 minutes or so, and now I'm going to brush on through these. Just run your fingers on through. All right, voila. And I forgot to do an outro when I was filming this, so here is a nice little clip of me being super extra. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, I will see you soon.